Yeah, viewers, every time I unplug this bloody charger, I touch these pins, I get a hell of a bloody shock. You know, I'll set this up, I haven't got my tripod here, but I'll unplug this and I'll show you what happens. It actually stores charge in this bloody thing. Switch mode power supply shouldn't do that. When I leave it plugged in for a while, there's a capacitor to store charge and put discharge back to these pins and back through the cord. Every time I touch those bloody pins, boy do I get a shock. Probably missed it on the phone, just shorted those two across, got a bit of a pop and a spark. So yeah, switch mode power supply shouldn't do that. Yeah, remember to unplug that every time I unplug this, when I'm ripping up the cord, putting it back in the box. Anyway. Okay, viewers, after looking at that last video I tried to bloody upload, but I reprocessed it half a dozen times through the editing program. Well, sure enough, the video was corrupt. It would freeze at that frame where it pixelated on YouTube, and you can skip past and it'll be fine. And further on in the video will be out of sync and doing it again, so I decided to scrap that video and start again. But here's what I showed in the last video, which didn't work. You can see that's melted all the glass. I did a rain beambox Lux's trick and hung it off the top of the microwave like that. But all I did was just arc the end off and it fell down and the bulb cracked, and that's it. Didn't get no explosions. You see how hot that glass got there? Plasma blew all the solder off. Let's try something else. Hang on, I got another bulb here. Probably won't do anything interesting. I think I tried microwaving that last time, so yeah. And when I put it across the NST, it just arced across the filament where it was open circuit. It had like a little purple glow. And I turned it up flat out and it had a incandescent orange glow. So it wasn't really all that interesting. Also I tried popping this, but I need a lot of amps and a lot of voltage to do that. Had it across the 10 amp heater as a ballast. Didn't really warm up much at all, so I need a lot of power to burn this thing out. The ferrite core was already snapped, so it's pretty much ruined anyway. I've got plenty more of those and other circuit boards. Okay viewers, well, because the last video shagged up, this basically just shorted out and there's a little bit of smoke out, so that's all that's left of the voice coil now. Then popped like a fuse. I'm just going to stick the whole lot of these in the microwave. All three in there. They're all popped anyway. I think all... I reckon these two could do with a finish off, but I haven't got a bulb holder for these two tops of bulbs, so I might have to rig something up. I don't know, I might just chuck them in the microwave as they are. That one has blown anyway, the filament's broken, that one. That one has blown on both filaments. That one there is too. You just have to tap them, and there you go. Yeah, they're not holding on by much. Let's chuck the whole thing in the microwave. Hopefully we'll get a triple pop and triple plasma. The top half of a Bickford's cordial bottle there, that'll stop the bulbs rolling around. So that should be easy enough for the microwave to get through there. Let's power up and see what the charge is on. 3, 2, 1. That's there, but it's popped it. There you go. That bottle works well. All cracked now. Yeah, it's starting to crack. There we are. There was a metal, an aluminium anti-tamper seal when you first crack them open, and that was still on there. So that's just arced off and cut the bottle by the looks of it. Yep, let's cut the top off the bottle. Let that glass melt, and that bottle should be welded to the should weld itself to the brick. And that's how you can weld glass in your microwave. feel the outside there. Not getting too warm. It's quite cool, the magnetron. Bit of dust. Just sat in the pile of dirt. Yep. Before you can smell it. Move the camera closer here. The glare's a bit of a problem here. Yeah, it's just the bottle arcing out now. Alright. Power off. Yeah, cut the top of the bottle off there. There we are, we have a bottle that's virtually welded to the brick. Interesting. Oh, it smells. Let that cool down and see how well that stuck together. You see the brick underneath, it's still quite hot. There's a seal there. Let's cut the bottle in half. I wonder if I could cut a bottle using this method. Just wrap a bit of copper wire around the bottle where I want it cut and microwave it. If the wire arcs enough, and hopefully the bottle will get cut in the right spot. Interesting. And the bottle only broke where this arced out though. So, because of that, the bottle didn't break cleanly. Alright, let that cool down for a bit. Okay, viewers, that smell was on here. On the ring there was some trapped lemon, lime and bitters cordial, which is what those Big Fred's bottles are. They're lemon, lime and bitters, it's like sugar and everything. You can actually smell it burnt on that glass, that brown stuff. There's only a minute amount left around this ring, and boy it stinks. As you can see there, it's actually yep, it's welded itself. Interesting. Nice looking little glass sculpture. Right, the rest of that can go in the bin. You see that got quite hot. The solder was just starting to arc out too with the plasma. Interesting. Viewers, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.